In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically backup your photo to Google Photos. Launch Google Photos app on your mobile phone and type on your profile icon located in the top right hand corner of screen. Scroll down and select Photo Settings, which is usually located near the bottom of menu. Within Settings menu, find option for Backup and toggle it on. This will enable automatic backup of your photos to Google Photos. Select your preferred upload size for photos. You can choose between Storage Saver or Original Quality. Keep in mind that using Storage Saver option may provide ultimate storage, while Original Quality may count against your Google storage quota. Adjust additional settings according to your preference. For example, you can specify when the backup photo, whether to use mobile data for backup, and other options. Once you configure backup settings according to your preference, ensure the changes are saved.